Hello, Bravs. I picked up this book yesterday for 50 cents. Not the complete guide to Oracle and prophecy methods by Joseph J. Weed. Now revealed the prophetic techniques used by the Delphic Oracle, seers in the Holy Land, the Gnostics, the Magi, Tibetan Lamas, the Druids, Nostradamus, Mother Shipton, Edgar Casey, Gene Dixon, Arthur Ford, Maurice Woodruff, and many others. How you may develop the power to see into the future. A reward book which costs $2.45 when published. Parker Publishing Company, 1971. Psychic Energy by the same author. Psychic Energy, How to Change Desires into Realities. Wisdom of the Mystic Masters. Complete Guide to Oracle and Prophecy Methods. There's Mr. Weed. Now, jam-packed in these startling pages, you'll find the amazing mystic techniques of prophecy that have bestowed lavish gifts upon thousands of lucky people down through the ages, gifts that might also come to you as a direct result of the ability to know in advance how and from where you can receive the golden treasures you've always wanted. You'll be given step-by-step advice on selecting and using the eclectic exercises so that the treasures you may uncover will be yours and yours alone. Yes, the great good fortune of a lifetime awaits your beck and call, bruv, and the future is in your hands. Outline of contents. We won't read that because we're going to read the entire book. About the author, Joseph J. Weed has spent years uncovering the mysteries of the earth and passing them on in updated form to the people of the 20th century for their use and benefit. His long and fruitful career in the mystic and occult arts attests to the success of his dedicated work. This book, which contains his most startling discoveries, may well be a milestone in the history of man's efforts to rediscover the ancient magical forces for use in modern times. To this end, Mr. Weed has lectured and conducted research in major cities throughout the United States and Canada. The president of Weed Walton Incorporated, Mr. Weed is also a trustee of the Nicholas Roerich Museum, a director of the Agni Yoga Society, and is an active member of the Rosicrucian Order. Let's read the introduction, which is rather short, thankfully. What this book can do for you. The entire physical universe is the result of plan. Everything has been and continues to be blueprinted in advance, and the events of the future follow these designs in minute detail. The patterns are created by thought. Some patterns, like the yearly revolution of the Earth around the Sun, or our own solar system's stately progress through space, are the product of minds far greater than ours, and therefore not subject to our influence. But we, the human race, are the makers of our own destiny, and we are also the custodians of our planet, Earth. It is our privilege to improve or destroy it, and ourselves, for the sum of man's thoughts and decisions creates his destiny. Each one of us has designed a blueprint for his or her own future. This includes everything from the most trivial to the most vital. For example, it covers what you plan to eat at home for dinner tonight, or where you are going on your vacation next summer, right on into more subtle realms of decisions vitally affecting your life, where exists the problems you will meet and hopefully solve 10 years from now. But these are all subject to change. Your change. You may decide to go to a restaurant tonight for dinner. You may alter your vacation plans for next summer, or you may, by your actions today, prove you no longer need to meet the difficult problem 10 years hence. Every thoughtful person is to some degree aware of these blueprints of their lives. We are more apt to recognize them working out in the lives of others than in our own. We are even occasionally conscious of the direction and possible future toward which the mass thought humanity is driving. We do this by bringing into play certain subtle faculties which we all possess to prophecy. This book is designed to teach you how to understand and develop these faculties to the degree that you yourself may forecast the future. Joseph J. Weed. Contents, what this book can do for you, which we just read. Chapter 1, The Nature of Prophecy, How Precognition Works. The Ancient Delphic Oracle and its Prophetic Truths is Chapter 2. Chapter 2 again, The Ancient Delphi Oracle continued. 3, Oracular Techniques, Part 1. Obviously, Chapter 4 is Part 2. And Chapter 5, Ancient Training Methods. 6, How You Can Predict the Future. 7, The Art of Prophecy in Biblical Times for Today's Use. 8, Forecasting by Means of Astrology. 9, Druids, Seers, and Diviners. 10, How to Consult the Akashic Records to Prophecy. Is it Akashic? 11, How to Develop Awareness for Prophesying. 12, How You Can Program the Art of Making Predictions. And we will pick up next time, as I like to separate things into chapters so there's a clear demarcation of ideas. We shall bring back the book at this chapter. Chapter 1. Where else would you start? Bye, bravs. Goodbye.